Hello Ananda. In the previous section on the introduction classes we have completed the Java C tokens. Today we can see the how to write the program on C language and how to save the program, and we are going to be seeing the how to execute also, how to run. First, whenever we are going to be writing the C programs, we need to use the which one? C editors we are going to be using. In the C editors, normally we are going to be using the which type of editors? Turbo C editors, VI editors we are going to be using. Turbo C mainly we are going to be using in Java, in Windows operating system. If you are writing the program on Linux operating system, we are going to be using the VI editors. In the same manner, here also we are going to be writing the programs on Turbo C editors we are going to be using. Then how to open? First to go to, where we need to go to? First we need to go to the My Computer, then use the C Drive, then open the Turbo C3, then open bin. In the bin we need to select the TC folder. TC application we are going to be selecting, then we are going to be opening the editor. In the editor we are going to be writing the program. How to write? First we need to use the editor. Which editor? Turbo C editor. Here we are going to be using. Next we need to go to file menu, select new, then we are going to be start writing the program here. In the normal structure of a C program, there we are going to be compulsory, we need to use the which section? Which section? Link section. First we are going to be adding the link section. #include stdio.h we are going to be using. Then use #include onio.h, then void main we are going to be opening, then close the, open the curly brace, then we are going to be using the printf function, then whatever content we have given in the double quotation as simply it should be displayed. Welcome to SDC. Then we need to close this one. See here, in C language, whenever we are going to be writing the any statement, each and every statement must and should we need to terminate with the semicolon. Printf again we are going to be using. Then welcome to C language we are going to be using, and close the curly brace. Then we are going to be using getch function, then close the curly braces also. This is the to write the program. Then after writing this program, see here we have written the program. This one is the #include stdio.h, #include onio.h. These are the link files. Then we are going to be writing the main method. This one is the user defined function. Then in the main method, here we are going to be opening the curly brace, opening and closing it. In that, here we are going to be writing only 3 lines. Printf function we are going to be using. This one is the predefined function. Welcome to SDC, welcome to C language. We have written the 2 statements. In the output, it should be displayed the welcome to C language, welcome to SDC will be displayed. That is the use of this one. Next we need to save the file. How to save the file? First go to file menu, then select the save option, or directly in the keyboard we need to press the F2 option. Then it should be displayed one dialog box. Then we need to remove the normal file. What is the path? We need to select to C:/turbo C3/bin/ then we need to give the file name. What is the file name we have given? Simple, simp.c. Whenever we are going to be saving the C language program, after giving the file name .c compulsory we need to give. This one is the file extension will be given by the C compilers. .c we need to use. Then we are going to be saving. Then we need to compile. How to compile? Alt F9 we need to compile. If there is no error means we will get the 0 errors. How many lines will be? compile 443. Then we need to run it. Control F9. Then see here. Symbol printf is module is not, means here we have some error. You can see that one. Printf, print. See here we are going to be giving the some mistake. We are giving the mistakes also, it won't be executed. Again we are going to be saving. Again we are going to be compiling. No errors. Then see in the output it should be display the welcome to SDC, welcome to C language. Whenever we are going to be compiling, how to compile? First to Alt F9 we need to use shortcut key. Then we need to use to execute to display the output, means on the console. Control F9 we are going to be using here. See, we can see once again the program. See here. This one is the simple program. In a program, here we are going to be using this hash include stdio.h is a which one? This one is the link file. After that, again we are going to be using the conio.h. stdio.h is the standard input output header file. Hash include conio.h console input output header file, means whatever data we are going to be giving through keyboard, it should be given. It should be linked by the stdio.h. These are the predefined files is available. On the output, it should be, if you want to give the values or if you want to display the something, means we need to use the console input output header file. Next, void main. Main is a user defined function. This one is the user defined function. User means we are going to be creating our own function. Execution will be started where onwards? Here onwards. Then we need to write the statements. Each and every statement must and should we need to end with the semicolon. Here we are going to be using the getChar. GetChar function we are going to be using. What is the use of this one? We are going to be intimating in the compiler. We are going to be getting the character on the console and we are going to be enter the character. Means on the console we need to enter the some data and we need to move to the next line. That is the use of the getChar function. That is the means we are going to be getting the character. Which character we are going to be getting above the line. After that we are not going to be entering any data. That is the use of the getChar function. Predefined function, this one. That is the use. In the next session we can see how to write the operators with example programs also. Thank you, one and all.